Today we are going to start learning how to be a developer from the first step. The first step. If you are on a Mac computer or on a Windows computer, just let's start by creating a folder. In this folder, we will host our project. So we have a folder here titled Untitled Folder. So we can give this folder a name. Let's say Project 1. Project underscore 1. This is the folder in which we will create the file where we will start doing our code. Now, if this is done, you have to have a platform called Visual Studio Code. So in Visual Studio Code, we will do the project. But first of all, we have to open the folder in our Visual Studio Code application. Now let's go there and see how to connect the folder and this application called Visual Studio. If you open it, you will see, for example, this page. Here is written open folder, or there's another option. If, for example, we close this one by mistake, we can still have the folder here by pressing this. Here is written open folder. Let's press this and open the folder. We have our folder on the desktop. So our folder name is project underscore 1. So we can go through this to find it, or right from here, project underscore 1. I put a small p. Anyway, it's working because we have the name of the folder here. We click on it, then we open the project name. Now things are going smoothly. We can close this page because we don't need it right now. Let me put it big so you can see it. Now we have our project name here. We can create our file. In that file, we will start to develop something or to write some line of codes from HTML. So let's create our file name. Press here. Let me give the file name as a user1. User1 dot. Because we are using HTML, we need the HTML extension name. HTML. Alright. Now it's going well. So the first line here is this exclamation point duck type. That's the first line for HTML codes. After this, we have HTML element tags. Here, HTML element tags. Between the HTML element tags, we will have all the contents. Here we will start by the head because we need the head. Let's put the head name or head element tags. Inside the head element tags, we have the title, for example. That's right. Let's write that title. What we want to write for the title of this project. Let's say to become a developer. To become a developer. I think it's a nice title. Yes. Now after that we need the body. In the body we will have all the content which the clients will see after opening, for example, this website or this application, if it is a website or an application. So write body. Inside body we can, for example, give the first header like h1 element tag. Between h1 element tag, what we can do, we can give a sentence here which we will find out when we get connected to a browser, like let's say welcome all the new developer or developers. That's it. So we need to save it. On Mac you just press Ctrl S to save it, or you need to press Command S to save it on Mac, or Ctrl S on Windows, I think. So right now, if we want to find this line on a browser, we just need to take our file address. Let me right click here and come here, copy perf. From here we can get the perf whole address. I copy it. Let me put it in small position. And right now I have Firefox here. Let me put it bigger so that everybody can see it. Here is the Firefox. Here's a Firefox where we can, for example, go and see what is our project has. Let's say file, because it is in the local, it's a local here, file, colon, triple slashes, then the name of our file or the address of our file. Press enter. Wow, this is magic. It's written here, welcome all the new developers. Let me check here. So this line is here. Welcome all the new developers. We have it here. Welcome all the new developers. If we update here something like I put, for example, h2 and give it a name. Let's say hello world. Save it. We have to save it because this needs to be saved. And here we have to update or reload the page, for example. So we have here hello world. So this is the first step to become a developer. Next time we will go deep and deep to show you. We don't need much more things at once because it will be a little bit confusing for some people. That was it. Thank you so much. Enjoy the further learning. See you next time, guys.